Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I reorganize after I finish a project. So I have 5 little containers of 6 rows. So what I have done is I have picked out 30 bags. I'm going to write Panda on them because this is from a Panda Square project. And then so right now I'm just going to write Panda all over these bags. So next I pull out one row of 5 little containers. They all have the DMC code. And then on each bag I write the DMC code that corresponds to what I'm going to put in there. I really try to make sure that it's correct because sometimes I'll grab the wrong bag. So right now that's what I'm doing, and I'll do that for all the colors. As you can see, once it goes a little faster, some of the diamonds stick to the plastic. People call this oily drills. This one, or this project I should say, only had a few of those. A lot of them fairly went well. I've had a project before that took me hours to undo because of how sticky they were. I only had a few in this one, and there may have been a few diamonds I had dropped or drills every once in a while, but this is how I do it just to get everything all organized. So here we go. Here's the panda that was finished with these drills. Now that all the drills are in their corresponding bags, I put them away in this container I got at Walmart and call it good. Thanks guys!